This is a different veggie burger that has great texture and is packed full of flavor. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a cauliflower and chickpea burger. In a food processor, I'm adding in a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas, half of a small onion, some minced garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and you can also use soy sauce or your favorite steak sauce, a little water to help bring this all together, and process until smooth. Here I have 4 cups of rice cauliflower and my chickpea mixture. I processed the cauliflower in fairly fine pieces, but kept a little texture. I'm adding an egg for a binder, but if you want to keep this totally vegetarian, you can use flax seeds or chia seeds mixed with a little water. Now for more flavor. I have some salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder. This is Lowry seasoning, paprika, and a little cumin. Adding in some breadcrumbs and giving it all a good mix. The beauty of these burgers is that you can flavor them with whatever spices you like. I have a parchment-lined baking sheet and I'm drizzling and brushing on a little olive oil. I formed my patties and this recipe made 6 nice-sized burgers. I'm just brushing on a little olive oil on top so they brown nicely. These are going into a 425 Fahrenheit preheated oven and baking for 30 minutes. And these are the cauliflower chickpea burgers right out of the oven. They look and smell amazing. So let's make this burger. I'm using a multi-grain bread and spreading on a little mayonnaise. On goes some lettuce and a nice tomato slice. The cauliflower chickpea burger, and it smells wonderful. I could call this done, but I'm adding a little more flavor with some of my Amish cucumber, onion, and jalapeno salad. I think it is refreshing and gives this burger a pop of flavor and crunch. If you would like to see that video recipe, I'll leave a link here and in the Show More section below. This cauliflower and chickpea burger turned out great. Lots of flavor and texture. I made a cauliflower stir-fry side dish with the leftover rice cauliflower. The cauliflower absorbed all those wonderful spices we added to the burger. If you're looking for another veggie burger recipe, give this one a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!